today we're gonna play Jeep mechanic. My heater motor blower has been broken. It's been cold, and we're gonna tackle this ourselves.
Yourself.
Oh, myself.
I'm not helping.
I'm gonna tackle it myself.
You're an independent, strong woman.
I'm an independent, strong woman. Ladies, you can do it. So, I've never really worked on Jeeps or cars or anything, but I watch the videos, and YouTube is like, you can learn everything on YouTube. So first of all, the good thing about these Jeep hoods is they lay all the way back on the windshield. On this here, this is a 2006 Jeep Wrangler LJ TJ, but it's the TJ Unlimited. The blower motor is behind the battery back here. The job pertains like taking the battery out, taking the computer off, and then the motor is right back there, and you just unbolt it, pull it out, put the new one in, and bolt it back up. Yeah, there's just a metal wall. There's no fan where the other one was. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to hunt down this thing. It was clanking like crazy before it went out, and it came from where the passenger's feet would be. So that's the first place I'm gonna look.
Your Jeep's messy.
My Jeep is terribly messy. Hey, look, Unsung Dreamers stickers. Want one? There it is. I found it. I found it. Okay, I gotta get in here. Like, this would be really cool in a bikini, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh. I don't see any bolts. It turns. It just turns. Ah! Oh! Can't see what I'm doing under here, but I'm trying to unplug it. That's it right there. No bolts, and I'm trying to figure out how to unplug it. One of those probably. I gotta get the little adapter because that guy don't fit in there, and that's the adapter. Is this where I need a man? There. So, adapter goes in here. Nope, this side. We'll see if that works. Good eye, good eye.
No man allowed.
No boys allowed. I'm thinking of just pull. I got this little snappy thing to the side. Can I borrow your glasses? There's one of the pieces that was flopping around in there. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver. So, I'm gonna try this. I don't want to break anything on the plug. The old motor I don't really care about because it's already broken. But I don't want to like break anything, but I don't see any other button to push or anything to get that plug out of there. Voila! Look at there. So, it was rattling and making all kinds of crazy noise, and you can just tell that it's, you can't hear that, I'm sure, but there's like a, but that's the noise I was hearing, that squeak, until it just started rattling, that noise. Well, be gone with you. Let's try this. Beautiful. It's got these, like, they came with no instructions either in the box. It's got these little clamps, but guess we'll find out. Wait. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Makes you wonder why they have to have such a long screw to put in just a little thing to hold a piece of wire. I don't understand. Okay. So it's in there. Oh, got my hair caught on my headphones. I'll try it out. We're gonna see if the magic works. Here goes. I have heat! Oh my god, this makes me so happy. You don't know how cold it's been some of these mornings. And frost on the window has freaked me out. Big league. Big league. We might have another problem in another video. It's set to these vents and it's coming out the defroster. Well, okay, so there must be something wrong with these switches, and that might be a whole other video. But before digging into all of that, I think I might wait until I get the whole new console. I'm wanting a whole new updated console with like a cool screen and stuff too. So I'm not gonna dig into there because I have air. I will survive the winter. So mission accomplished, I guess. We have air, we have heat. I'm a happy girl, and I did it myself. One thing that might make women better mechanics than men is I actually put my tools away, and I'm gonna know exactly where these are because I put them away.